Hello everyone, welcome to We Love Food, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make chai tea latte. Although we call this chai tea latte in UK, but in India it's mostly known as masala tea. So the name says everything. It's with few different types of masala from Asia, and we cook it with tea. It's very simple once you know the ingredients. It's just a matter of boiling all together properly and filter it in a cup and serve it. First thing, we take the spices and we put them in the pan and we toast it until it gives that nice aroma. So I can smell the spices. The pan is really hot. Once the spices start to smell really nice, I'm just gonna add this water. As you see, the pan was hot. As soon as I put the water, it started boiling. With those spices, you can add the ginger. If you're not a big fan of ginger, you can avoid it. Normally I don't use it, but I wanted to keep the recipe as authentic as possible. So for this recipe, I'm using it. When the water is boiling, you can use these tea grains. If you don't have these tea grains, you can add, you can use those tea bags, whatever you use at home, but make sure they're black tea or English breakfast tea, whatever you call it. Once the black tea is in, we're just looking for a nice dark color. Now I will add 250 ml of whole milk. If you want to use sugar, you can add sugar at this time. For my tea, I would like to use honey, so try honey. Maybe you will like it. As you can see, milk is boiling and it's rising, so that means it's ready. We switch it off. Just take it from the heat, off the heat. I transfer the tea in this measuring cup, so it's more easy to pour. There you have it, perfect chai tea latte or masala tea. Wow, trust me, it's better than Starbucks. If you make this at home, you're not gonna regret. That little bit of time is worth it. This chai tea is really easy and simple to do, so I hope you try this at home. And if you do try, let me know how was it. And see you next time. Bye bye.